$4,000 for a graphics card. Yes, you heard that right. Asus has just opened pre-orders for a GPU so exclusive, so aggressively engineered that it's rewriting what ultra-premium means in PC hardware. This is the ROG Matrix RTX 5090. At US $3,999, the Matrix RTX 5090 doesn't just stray from the mainstream, it vaporizes the boundary. Its price is nearly double Nvidia's reference edition, putting it in a category normally reserved for custom PCs, limited collectibles, or luxury industrial gear. And the secret behind its staggering price? Engineering. Asus built an overkill cooling solution that borders on experimental. 4 high-pressure fans, a copper vapor chamber, liquid metal thermal compound, and a reinforced 3-ounce copper PCB designed to withstand extreme thermal loads. Asus claims up to 20% improved airflow and pressure, numbers that don't just benefit temperatures, but open the door for cleaner, more stable overclocks. The raw specs tell an equally intense story. 32 gigabytes of brand new GDDR7 memory, 21,760 CUDA cores, and boost speeds climbing to 2,760 megahertz. This isn't just a GPU, it's a declaration. One aimed squarely at enthusiasts who refuse to accept compromise. But exclusivity doesn't stop at performance. Asus is only producing 1,000 units worldwide. Each card arrives with commemorative ROG accessories like 30th anniversary playing cards, turning this GPU into a collector's artifact as much as a piece of hardware. And in case the Matrix edition wasn't ambitious enough, Asus already pushed boundaries earlier this year with an even pricier Dahab edition. Whether this signals a new era of luxury PC components or simply a bold experiment, one thing is clear: the ROG Matrix RTX 5090 isn't designed to fit into the market, it's designed to stand above it. Would you ever spend $4,000 on a GPU? Let us know below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most extreme tech.